I think our institute is extremely important because it's basically what, for the university, the big questions of the future, sustainability, health, One Health, that's something we symbolize perfectly because the bees are so important for our whole environment that I think it's extremely important for the general ecosystems to look at this topic.
The Institute of Bee Health contributes to saving the bees by really trying to understand the mechanisms that underlie the decreases of wild bee populations and the increased losses of honeybee colonies. So what we do with our research is we focus on both the effect of various stressors such as nutrition, pesticides, pathogens, but also the genetics of these bees. And using this gained knowledge, we try to understand what we can do in the future to prevent these decreases of bees and losses of colonies and to mitigate these declines. It's important to mention that students are an essential part of our institute. They come to our institute to do their bachelor, master, or PhD thesis are key for collecting data and actually being active in doing the research together with us.
It's our chance to pass on our knowledge to the next generation. They have this spirit and this motivation to contribute something, and that's what we do in bee research because we try to make contribution to the well-being of the bees and with this also for the whole environment, and that's like a meaningful work, and you feel like people who come to our institute for their thesis work, they have this idealism, and that's something that connects us a lot. And then we also have like a very international team and very international students coming, and this makes a very nice mixture of people and a good team spirit.
So the Institute of Bee Health plays a very important role in the COLOSS network. COLOSS is a global organization of various different researchers working in the field of bee health, mainly in honeybee, but also in wild bee health. And it brings together this network various different expertise to find sustainable solutions on how we can prevent increased honeybee colony losses and the decreases of wild bee populations. When the Institute was founded, it had a strong focus on honeybees, and thanks to the Venetum Foundation, since October 2021, with the lecturer position in wild bee health, we'll be able to, for the upcoming years, continue doing research not only on honeybees, but on a wide range of different bee species.